everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can apply a template to an existing transaction in LoneWolf Transact. So if you've gone ahead and created a transaction template, which we walk you through how to do, we have another tip video on that, and you can definitely check that out. Templates are going to be a standard set of forms, documents, to-do lists, and parties that you can simply add to a transaction so that you can go ahead and get that automatically added. So again, we have a tip video walking you through how to do that. If you want to check that out, it's available on our YouTube channel. And today we are going to walk through how to actually apply that template to our opportunity or to our transaction. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to sign in through command. So our command will sign in there, agent.kw.com. We'll sign in with our command login credentials. And we already have our LoneWolf Transact connected to our command. If you didn't, you would just click your name and you would click your settings here, and then you can connect it through here. Again, we have another tip video on that as well. If you are needing to set that up, just check out that tip video and we'll walk you through how to do it over there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to my opportunities applet on the left-hand side. You could do it from your command home as well. So just go through here. It's these two hands shaking. I'm going to switch over to the All Opportunities tab just because it's easier for me personally. You can absolutely go through your individual pipelines and the different phases to grab those opportunities. I'm just switching over to the All Opportunities tab, and I'm just going to grab the opportunity that I want to use. Now, this opportunity is also already connected to LoneWolf, so I'm going to go over to the Documents tab, and it's synced to our LoneWolf Transact, so we can go ahead and just go to Transact here. And once that loads, it's going to bring us directly to the Transact that we've already created. And you'll notice that we don't have the paperwork, the to-dos, or those additional parties. So in order to add those, we've already created our template. I'm just going to click these three dots in the top right corner, and I'm going to click Apply Template. From there, I'm going to select a transaction template. So we'll select the one that we already created for our residential listings. And you'll get a preview here of what it will pull in. So it will pull in the paperwork. We can deselect certain parts of it. It'll add in the parties that we've already created and the to-do list. So we can just go ahead and apply that. And we're going to see that it automatically applies it. We have a folder already created on our template, which is why it created a new folder here. If we added it to a listing folder, you would see it here. We can also drag and drop that over to the individual folders so that we can adjust it from there. Now, if we go to the parties on the left-hand side, you'll see that we have that admin added in. That was on our template. So we'll see that it was added there. And we can also go over to the to-do list and we will see that we have our to-do list has been brought in from that template as well. So all in all, it was successful. We know that we have added that template properly. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.